This biker has a problem. Every time he rides through this part of town, stray dogs begin chasing him. To get rid of them, he has come up with a unique solution. Just watch. Works every time.
Hop, hop. Okay. Get your dogs off me. Get your dogs off me. Jesus Christ.
It's not them, it's the puppies.
Fucking. You gotta get control of these fucking dogs. Get out of the way. Come here. Just hit him. Get off. Get off.
Stop it.
Fucking hell. Get off, you stupid. Get off. No, stop, get it. Go there. Get off. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Sorry, I think you'll be it's gonna need me a bit more than sorry. Fuck me.
I know, it's your school. I'll be back this afternoon. You're making it really hard to leave, you know that? Come on, big guy. I'll be home before dinner, promise. Yeah, I love you too.
Hey, let him sleep. Be quiet.